It's Sunday afternoon, the house is quiet, you're lying on your bed scrolling through YouTube, and then one YouTube video stops you cold. A 2D kid story animation, simple, colorful, nothing technically impressive. You check the views, 20 million, you go to the profile, and what you see next stops you completely. This channel is posting simple 2D animated kid stories, and that's it, you dig deeper. Another video, 13 million views, another 11 million, another 10 million. This one channel earning $3,500 every single month from cartoons, simple 2D cartoons. You search further. Cuckoo TV Hindi. One video, 167 million views. You put the phone down, and one thought hits you that you've never said out loud to anyone. I've been working harder than them for longer. So why are they so far ahead? You open your laptop, you search for a beginner-friendly way to create 2D animated kid story videos, tutorial after tutorial, and every single one, complicated. Different software, different tools, different skill sets, none of it built for someone just starting out. You close the laptop, that creator just got another million views while you're still sitting in the same place. I know that feeling exactly because I was sitting in the same place until I found a beginner-friendly workflow that creates complete 2D animated kid story videos in minutes. No complicated tools, no animation skills, no prior experience. Just a simple system that works from the very first video. Let me show you exactly how. Just for you, I built something specific, a 100% free 2D animation video engine master prompt, link provided in the description below, built only for this workflow. Copy this prompt, go to Claude AI, free plan. That's all you need. Paste the prompt, hit send, and watch what it asks you first, your video language. This one choice changes everything. Choose Urdu. Your characters become Muslim. Your script writes itself in Urdu. Every dialogue, every name, every detail shifts. Choose Hindi. Your characters become Indian. Your settings, your atmosphere, your dialogues, all in Devanagari. Choose English, and your entire world transforms. British, American, Australian, Western names, Western culture, Western settings. One prompt. 3 completely different worlds. For this example, I'm choosing English. Next, it asks for duration, anywhere up to 10 minutes. Let's go with 6 minutes. Now here's where it gets interesting. 5 story categories appear. Village life stories, kids moral stories, animal stories, family emotional stories, magical moral stories. For this example, village life story. And just like that, 5 complete story ideas appear. Don't like any of them? Simply type, provide 5 more unique topic ideas. Keep going until one stops you. For this video, story number 7, The Silent Blacksmith. Something about that title already pulls you in. Hit send. And Claude does something remarkable. A complete 6-minute dialogue-only script, fully written. Because we chose English, every line of dialogue is in English. Choose Urdu instead, and this exact same story transforms completely. Choose Hindi, and it transforms again. Same engine, same story structure, completely different worlds. Now Claude asks one more question. Do you want character design prompts? Type yes, and here's where the magic really starts. Claude generates a detailed prompt for every single character in your story. Not just the prompt, the exact file name for each one. This detail matters more than you think. You'll see why in a moment. For The Silent Blacksmith, 8 characters, 8 prompts, 8 file names, everything mapped out. Now, Claude asks one final question. Do you want environment prompts for every location? Yes, we need that, but not yet. And here's an important rule before you go any further. Only move to the next step once your current step is fully finalized. Because you're on Claude's free plan and prompting too quickly back to back will hit your limit faster than you'd expect. Give it space, let each step breathe. Right now, before we touch environments, we need to finish something first, every single character sheet. Copy your first character prompt, go to flow.google, open a new project, click characters in the left sidebar. Now, one important thing before you continue. If you want 100% character consistency, don't skip a single second of what comes next. Skip this part and you'll be the one in the comments asking why your characters keep changing. Make sure Nano Banana model is selected. Paste your first character prompt. Hit send. While it's generating, go back to Claude AI. Copy the file name for this character. This step matters more than it seems right now. Within seconds, your first character sheet is ready. Rename it with that exact file name. One thing you don't need to worry about is voice selection. Google Flow handles that automatically based on your character and dialogue. Now repeat this for character 2. Go back to Claude AI, copy the second character prompt. Back to Google Flow, characters in the sidebar, click new character, paste the prompt, hit send, rename it. Same process, every single character. And here's what it looks like once you're done. Every character from your story generated, everyone renamed with its exact file name, your entire cast ready. Now go back to Claude AI, type yes, time to generate every environment your story needs. Watch closely. Each environment prompt begins with a file name. Same rule applies. This file name matters just as much as the character ones did. Now you have a choice. I generate each environment one by one, or do something faster. Go to Google, search Zappy Flow Chrome extension, open the Chrome Web Store link. I built this extension specifically for this audience, free, forever. One thing, make sure the developer name says zappywalla.ai before installing. Add it to Chrome, pin it, launch it. And one honest note before we continue. This is a free tool. It might have bugs. If something doesn't work perfectly, don't leave a low rating. Send me feedback instead. Every piece of feedback makes this better for everyone using it. Now, let's generate every environment image. Go back to the same Google Flow project, the one with all your characters. Click All Media in the left sidebar. Make sure Agent Mode is off, or this extension won't work the way it should. Set media type to image. Aspect ratio, 16.9. Output per prompt, 1. Model, Nano Banana. 2. One critical setting here, turn character consistency off. This is for environments, not characters. Different rule applies. Now go back to Claude AI. Copy every environment prompt at once. Back to the extension, paste everything into the prompt box. If you see a warning, don't worry. Refresh the page, reload the extension, try again. Now 3 settings to confirm before you start. Auto download images turned on, include serial number, turned off. We don't need that for environments. Ask where to save each file, turned off. Set your download folder. Final check before you hit generate. Character consistency, off. Auto download, on. Serial number, off. Everything confirmed. Hit start generation. If it doesn't start immediately, refresh the project page and try again. And now, watch what happens. Every environment in your story generated one after another. Every single one downloaded automatically. Every file name exactly where it needs to be. A few minutes later, your entire world is built. Every character, every location, every piece of your story ready. Now go back to Claude AI and it asks you one important question. Do you want image prompts first, then animate them into video? Or do you want video clips directly using everything we just built? And we're going with the second option, direct video generation using full character and environment consistency. And within seconds, something remarkable happens. 45 complete scene prompts, every one with a file name, every one with the exact characters involved, every one with the exact environment it belongs in. A 6-minute story broken down into 45 precise moments. Copy every single prompt, go back to the same Google Flow project, the one with your characters, the one with your environments. Now, pay close attention here. This next part matters. You have two options for your environment images. Rename each one manually with the exact file name Claude gave you, or use the shortcut. Click the plus icon. Upload media, upload every environment image, already named correctly from when you downloaded them. Within seconds, every environment is in place. Hover over each one to confirm. One critical rule before you move forward. You must be working in the exact same project where every character and environment already lives. Different project, and none of this works. Now reload the extension. Agent mode, off. Choose video mode, ingredients selected. Aspect ratio, 16.9. Output per prompt, 1. In one setting that changes everything, make sure Omni Flash model is selected. The results from this model are mind-blowing. Set each clip duration to 10 seconds. Now, back to the extension. Turn on character consistency. The single toggle is the difference between a professional video and a broken one. Paste every video scene prompt into the prompt box. 45 prompts. Loaded and watch. The extension automatically detects which characters and environments belong in each scene. Turn on auto download. Turn on include serial number. Set your output folder. Hit generate. And now the magic happens. Every scene built automatically, every character consistent, every environment exactly where it should be. One important rule while this runs: don't switch tabs, don't minimize the browser, and disable any other automation extensions running, or you'll end up with duplicate downloads. This is a free tool. If something feels off, it'll send feedback instead of a low rating. Every message helps me make this better for everyone using it. 45 scenes, approximately 30 minutes, and when it's done, every single video clip sitting in your output folder. Ready. Now, the easy part. Open your favorite video editor, import every clip, drag them onto the timeline in order. Remove any unnecessary silent gaps, this entire edit. 8 to 10 minutes, no more. Do a final preview.
Mum, why does nobody ever go to the old blacksmith shop anymore?
Old George hasn't worked in years, Sam. People just leave him be.
But why? What happened to him?
Nobody really knows. He just stopped talking one day. Now leave it alone.
Excuse me, Mr. George? Hello?
The full video link is in the description below. Export in 4K. One last stop before uploading. Back to Claude AI. It's already asking, do you want metadata for YouTube? Say yes. A viral title, a complete description, hashtags, tags, everything ready in seconds. So here's my question for you. That creator you saw on Sunday afternoon, the one your age, maybe younger, sitting at 167 million views, you now have the exact same workflow they're using. The only difference left, whether you open this tomorrow or close this tab and forget about it, if this helped you, hit the like button. Small creators like me run entirely on your support. Subscribe if you haven't already. If you want to see how a simple stickman video crossed 7.5 million views with nothing but still images, you cannot afford to miss the video above. See you inside.